here. Okay, now suppose if I click on login button,
Mm.
it just take me to login. Now sometime what happens, you can see the thing like click on the bicycle, click on the traffic lights, click on that link. It's
Yeah,
an
yeah,
extra
yeah,
layer of security. Okay,
yeah,
now sometimes what happens when you go for this thing, mm, mm, maybe I will here have that's not that's not what IO. Okay. Mm, mm. Again, it will allow me to log in. Now, sometimes what happens, there is extra layer of security like OTP, like
yeah.
traffic lights. Click on traffic lights, click on bus, click on bridge, click on car. So this is extra. Now, what I want to do, I want to work in the existing browser. Like, suppose now, first of all, I want to open the browser. Now,
Yeah.
go to your say drive. Okay. Now, there's a, I think so. Yeah. Suppose, first of all, just create a new folder. Now, say new folder. I say Chrome Python. Okay. Now, this is a folder in which you
Mm.
will create your new Chrome browser. Okay. Now, here, then you have to go with the search Chrome, right click on here and say open file location. Here again, it will give me the shortcut. Again, right click, open file location. Now, this is the location of my Chrome. Now, just copy this location. Now go to your command prompt. Okay, write chrome dot ext. Uh, Even I don't remember the thing. Just a minute. Okay, first of all, yeah, fine. Here where your chrome.exe is there, here, just copy this path and in your command prompt cd space your path. Go to this part. Now you have to write chrome dot exe. Okay, and yeah, minus minus remote debugging port. Now here you will give the port number. You can write any port number. Don't go for 8080 because it is being occupied by the computer.
Okay.
So suppose if I'm going with say uh, 9797. Okay, just remember this port number, minus minus user minus data minus dir equal to. Now you have to copy the paths of your where you want to keep the your browser. Now shift right click. Now you can say copy as path. Click on it, go back to here and paste it over here. Okay, and just now when I make this it is empty. Okay, now
Yeah.
if I enter it, okay, don't sign in. Okay, welcome page. Now say app dot snov dot io. Okay, now here, now say spectrum pms at the rate gmail.com, and you can build your own username password. Okay, say I will log in. Okay, save it. Mm, okay, now suppose I do it like this. I close that tab. Don't close this browser. If you close this, you have to repeat this process again.
Okay.
But always remember to remember your port number.
Yeah.
Otherwise, it will give you an error. Okay. Now
Okay.
here, say new Python file. Say open existing browser. And what I will do, I will just uh, copy this. Okay. And sorry, paste it over here. And this is my URL. Okay, now uh, even I forgot the coding, so I think so. Yeah, Mhm. This is the line. Okay. So I have to write option dot add external option debugger address. Now, what is the port number we have? 9797. So you have
Yeah.
to change the port number here. Whatever you give the port number there, you have to write that
Okay.
same port number here. Otherwise, all the things are same 127.0.0.
Okay.
Okay, debugger address. Okay, let's try it. Even I don't know it will work or not because I have done this long time ago.
Okay.
Okay, so I have closed it. Now, when I run this, go to your browser. See, so yeah, it will give me error. Okay, so what I will do, uh, okay, just yeah, now it is
Yeah, it
working.
worked. Yes.
Okay, so what it will do, it will let me bypass that login process.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so this is a thing, new thing in Selenium that you can open the existing browser.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
so now
Yeah.
what I want you to do uh, here, now register yourself on this website, and now
Okay.
you have to create the lead. Okay, now how to create a deal? Go to this CRM, click
Yeah.
on this deals. Okay, now here you have to uh, click on this view deals in a list.
Okay.
Okay, here you can see the list. Now here you can see the button create
Yeah.
deal. Okay, now this is where you will create the lead. Now here click on this. You can go for any currency. Okay,
Okay.
then prospect name, email, LinkedIn, then prospect list. You can create or you can just select from the list.
Okay.
Okay, it depends on you. Okay, and click on the save button. When you click on the save button, then you have to verify. Again, go here deals. Again, click on this. Now here is your list name, deal names.
Got it. Yeah.
Okay, so this is the long process that you have to do, and
Okay.
your code should like this, that it can, suppose you will pass three deals, so it will create three deals in one go. Okay, and
Okay.
if you done this, go to this page again, CRM deals, then create view deals in a list. And after that, you can say here, here. Now you can change the state of your deal.
Okay.
Okay, here, or click on save. Now you can change the value as well.
Yeah.
Okay, you can
Yeah.
change the name as well. Okay,
Yeah.
you have to do this.
Okay.
Okay, this all
So
is exercise you have to do.
when you say if you try to create three deals in one go, it will create three deals. What do you mean by that?
Suppose your code should work in a way that suppose you are picking the deals name from the Excel.
Yeah.
Okay, you can pick we have done the Excel thing. We have
Yeah.
you can count the number of rows, you can count the number of columns. Suppose in
Yeah.
Excel I'm giving you username, I'm giving you deal name, all the things, these things. Now when you
Yeah.
create a deal, all these things like this value,
Yeah.
currency, name, email, you can mm, can write it or you can leave it at blank, or
Okay.
prospect list. I can
Yeah.
give you from the Excel.
Yes.
Okay, so work in that way.
But can we upload? Oh, you can import deal.
I'm not able to understand your question.
So we can import that Excel or from import deals on the left?
Where
No,
import?
so on the left hand side in purple, on the purple thing, there's import deals. So you're saying I should work
Okay, no,
with X.
don't go for that, just go for the deal's name. Okay,
So we
click
can
on deal.
create one by one, right?
Yeah, you can create one by one.
Okay,
But the
okay.
thing is that you will pick the, suppose you pick the first row where it is, you have your say value, like
Yeah.
what is the value, currency, the name, the email.
Right, right.
Okay, then your prospect
Prospect.
list.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah. And
and
then
then
you save it.
yeah, then you save it.
So
Okay,
one will be created.
yeah, just do it for one. First do it for one.
Okay,
Okay, do it for one. Okay, and
okay.
after that, the next thing will be that when you click on the save, you have to verify that your deal has been saved or not.
Okay.
Okay, click on deals, then click on this list. Now you have to find your name here.
Got it. Okay. And then change the stage.
Yeah, you can change
Okay.
this to.
Okay.
Okay,
Yes.
so this is your homework, and
Yes.
most probably we will start the, if you done this, we will start the framework by Monday.
Sure. Yeah. So, Abhijit, I have one more interview
Mm-hmm,
scheduled with another company. Do you
mm-hmm.
have any suggestion for automation? What should I study? Like
Mm,
whatever we have done, I'll try to revise everything from there. But
yeah, even you can see
anything,
that CI/CD. The thing is fixtures. Okay,
Yeah.
go for that video again, and
Yeah.
write the points by your hand
Yeah.
with pen, that what are fixtures, what are the important points. Suppose if I'm asking you what are fixtures, so how will you explain me? Suppose I am a new student to you. Now
Yeah.
you have to understand, like you have to understand yourself like you are a new beginner, and you have
Yeah.
to can say understand yourself, that how can I understand myself,
Yeah. Yeah.
how can I
Okay.
give yeah, how can I give training to me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So
Yeah.
the fixtures, then go for the small programs like finding odd and even number.
Yeah.
Okay. Then go for the Google, like a Google Gemini, that
Yeah.
uh, give me questions regarding 10 plus years of experience in manual and maybe in automation. So what types of questions they will ask me. Okay.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
give a list of 30 questions. You can ask ChatGPT as well.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Sure.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Then meet you on Monday.
Yes. Thank you so much, Abhijit.
Okay.
Thank you. Bye.